All right, so these we're going to put in the home decorators collection.
Yeah, the cordless 2.5-inch premium faux wood blinds, white. First things
First, we got to figure out how to open the box.
we got to call a professional in to help us open the box.
This is ridiculous.
Once we get the box, there's got to be somebody who feeds his kids by doing this. Why aren't we taking that money out of? Why are we taking that food out of his children's mouth?
Damn it, open up.
You understand? It's Christmas. Look,
Oh, it's fine.
This sucks. I hate Christmas.
That's better than getting veal.
Yeah, that's a prime piece of meat there, kid.
All right, so look at this is what we got. We got some tools in here.
All right.
Probably the hardware.
All right, this is the instructions. We're not going to need those.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Anybody
Men don't need instructions. They need beer and girls to be quiet. Quiet girls that cook. And, yeah, they do. Hashtag me too.
MAGA.
No, it's pound me too.
MAGA.
That's not a hashtag. That's a pound.
Oh my God.
How about that? How about that?
Misogynist.
You bunch of crybabies.
What's this thing?
Suck it up,
That's
girls.
the thing.
All right. Well, that's something. I've never even seen that before.
I think those were the things that you put on the end over here.
Yeah, but ours didn't. The other one didn't have these. These are special.
Huh.
Did it say something on the box? It doesn't matter. If we have extra parts, it's not a problem.
Just figure it out.
All right, so boom! Look at all this stuff we
All
get
right.
to play with.
All right, these are the brackets, right? Look at this one stuck in there.
I'm not sure what that is.
That's the bracket.
These are the fancy things that go on the end.
So you got 4 brackets.
Yeah, hashtag me too.
4 brackets.
Bunch
He's
of
suffering
bullshit.
from a very bad breakup, so don't be mad at him.
No, I'm not. I'm not suffering at all. I'm clear.
He's clear.
Don't let the man in me come out. Trump forever. Lifetime presidency. Lifetime presidency. We need to change the rules.
So this goes on the end. All right, so you're looking
Trump
at
of
this.
2020.
So this goes here, and I don't know. Gotta get it on there. There we go.
Oil is great. Pave the bay.
Nuke.
Nuke the whales.
Okay, come on, get in there.
We need bigly molds.
There we go.
Oh.
Need a hammer.
You need
All right,
a
so
hammer.
what he's doing right now is he's marking it, and I'm gonna come and put some drill.
I'm using
guidelines.
scientific measurements based on that I do in my mind because I'm a man, not a girl.
We don't use that. You notice we don't use any kind of measurement tool.
This is how men do it, girls. This is for the girls out there. See, manliness.
We have 2 drills because we
I
don't
got a splinter.
I got something in my eye.
One. I got a splinter.
All right, so now I'm gonna drill some holes.
Yeah, drill some holes.
See that mother right there? That's a
okay.
hole driller.
Yeah. Everybody see this hole driller, girls?
There we go.
There you go. How about that?
Where's it at? Oh, here we go. I think I got it.
Ah.
Shit. That's a guide hole. That's just so we can get this.
What should a girl do if she's taking the dishes if she knows what's good for her?
Oh my God. So hard to videotape and do this.
When you've been
Wait,
drinking.
I can't even find.
That's
There
what
we go.
happens when
Now
you
I
start
got it.
drinking at noon.
Am I in the hole? There it
She
is.
said.
All right, here we go.
There you go. Nail it. I'm gonna come around, Tommy.
All right,
Get
so
behind him a little bit.
he's gonna get behind me. Whoa!
Get behind him.
Watch out! Don't get too far now. He's gonna put.
Don't let the
He's
man
got
in
the-
me come out.
Look now. He's got the other screw.
Look at this. Look at that. You put that in there. You stick.
Watch this. This is interesting.
This is magic.
This is man shit
This is
right
why
here.
men do this, because girls can't.
men
That's
are
why.
men.
Men are men and women are scared.
Manly.
Yeah.
Only men can manly.
It's my
this
true
thing.
nature.
Yes, he's in the nature.
Don't let this society demasculate you guys. Be men.
This.
You can fart in front of her.
She won't know.
It's none of her business. Do what you want.
All right, make sure you get in the hole. That's what
Stick it
she
in.
said.
That's what she said. That's why apparently I didn't get it in the hole. That's why I'm single and living in my bus.
All right, we're getting it done. We're getting it done here.
Up in yours.
All right, hang on. I gotta fucking here videotape me while I put the.
Okay, now you're gonna do that part.
All right, here we go.
See that, girls? That's manly drilling right there. Whoops, where's he at? Oh, there you
It's
go.
so hard to get the hole.
We have trouble with the hole. You know what? Why don't you just get the cool boy to do it? Just say you can have other boyfriends.
I got it right in my eye.
Excellent.
Right, one more.
Okay, I'm coming around. Sexy.
Get it in
that,
there.
huh? Don't you wish you were that?
Guide holes.
On the other side of that drill. Here, hold that, Simon. Mr.
right.
Scorsese.
Hey, where are we? Okay, here we go. We're getting it done here. Look at that. We got, what, 2, 4, 6, 8 holes drilled?
We almost have 2 blinds up. We've only been at it for 8 hours.
Yeah. We're working hard on this.
Luckily, I can sleep in my bus.
Yeah.
In
In case we have to
case
stay.
we're here tomorrow.
Yes. Which could be a possibility.
Takes us into the wee hours. Thank God for the full moon. We'll be able to see what we're doing. All right, this sucker here. And
Anybody can do this.
yes, if you're a man.
Yeah, if you're manly.
If you're a woman, you just call your brothers and they come.
I don't know.
And then they complain. I don't like the way you did that.
Yeah, it's not because she's definitely not going to like it.
Here's the good news. I can't hear you. I'm going through a tunnel.
All right, there we go.
We love our sister. We love our moms. We love women. They're the only thing that can carry 2 souls or more at one time. They are to be respected, injected, neglected, infected, and selected.
Damn it.
You're welcome.
Look at that. All right, so check it out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 because it's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, this is the hard part because we have to see this
Look for the
lip.
hole.
There's a lip. There's a hole here.
There's a lip and a
that
hole.
goes out.
So what you want
All
to do
right,
is
so
you
you
want to
gotta get
place
the-
it on the lip,
Oh.
jam it in the backside, and
yeah.
stick it in the hole.
Wait a minute, I got to get my lip on.
All right, you get it.
I got my finger. My finger's gone.
She's tight. It's very tight.
Oh my God.
Tight like a tiger.
Can't get this one on.
That's close enough. Looks like it's
Okay, here we go. Now we got it there.
Yeah.
And then I put. What? Oh, there we got it.
All right, here's these
And
little
then this
doohickeys.
one here.
Remember these fun things?
So that's got to get on there and there.
These are a blast.
All right, you got to put those on.
There's one of those.
Dude, we did this in 5 minutes this time.
The first one took 14 hours.
This is amazing. Totally. I don't know. How do I
Just
do
like
it?
that.
Just like that?
All right.
Oh, look, I did it. I put one on.
So if you were gonna mount this on the exterior, if you were gonna go up here and mount it, these are the side brackets that would cover that. But all we need are these little corner doohickers
So there's a corner thing right here I got to put on.
for aesthetics.
That's that. Here, show me how to do it.
Estella,
I want to see you do it.
you take this. You say, listen, man.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm not pointing over here.
You
with
say,
you.
look, relax. It's natural for girls to kiss. That's okay. We're just gonna just the tip. There you go.
Oh my God.
It's not my baby.
Not my baby. All right, so we got to get it in that little lip.
I am. Oh,
I don't know if you can see it.
Andrew Dice Clay's my hero.
Can you see that?
Do that. Here, feel it clicky.
Hang on, let me
click.
look.
Got any glue?
All right, so see that little run
I
there?
think that's it. Yeah.
All right,
It goes like that.
you got to pop it on there.
I got
All
mine.
right, okay, I'm looking.
There you go.
All right, you come push this one so I can video it.
What?
I didn't get mine on so,
Oh, wow.
so they can see it from underneath.
Okay.
Because this way they'll really be like good at this video.
I have to call those guys to come over to my house ever.
You almost got it.
Any reason. There you go.
All right, we're in.
Don't touch anything.
All right, now watch this.
Stick the wand. Magic wand.
Oh, we got to put the wand in. How do I get the wand in?
You can do it.
I got to get the wand in. Hang on. There it is.
Wanda.
See, I got to put that in there.
All right.
Oh, shit. Oh, it's in. I did it.
Now let's go look through our liquor cabinet and our jewelry box.
All right, what do you think? That looks good.
Wow, it's just like a. You can't beat it, folks.
That's an amazing job.
How about them Snapples?
How do you like those apples?
Bullshit out of the way.
That's fantastic.
How
All right,
about them?
that's a job well done. Well done. Well
Join
done.
us tomorrow when we.
Tomorrow we're going to try putting a fuse box. 48 hours later, we got one blind
got one
up.
blind up.
That's it.
We don't even have one blind up. We have all
No,
this
we
part-
haven't even.
We
got a
have
bunch
parts left over.
What's all that stuff?
Oh, this is interesting.
Where's that stick go?
Don't let sister see this.
Oh, God.